having a life vision. You are being manipulated.
Shanti. Good morning to all. Is the audio audible, the voice? Why?
Yes.
Because today we have changed the place,
Yes, sister.
a different branch. So I just want to confirm the audio.
Yes, sister. It is audible.
Okay, audible?
Audible.
Anyone can message me if it's audible.
It's audible, sister.
Okay, okay. Good morning. So as usual, we will start the session with Om Dhvani. So before starting this Om Dhvani, Hope you have all had seen and listened that wonderful song. हिम्मत कहो खुदा से तेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी थी. Generally, people ask God, "Oh God, don't give me problems." But practically, you are in the world of problems. We are in the world of problems. So definitely they will come to us. Can you say that in the rainy season, rain don't come? No. The season is that. So definitely it will come. So the world is like that today. Every way, the impurity, the corruption, negativity, vices, all have increased to the maximum extent. So now, since we are in this world, okay, now,
Yes, okay, sister.
so since now we are in this world, so by being in this world, saying that the problems shouldn't come, it is impossible. So definitely they will come. But the only thing I should pray for God is God gives me so much strength to face that problems. God gives me so much of energy, so much of tolerance, so much of willpower, so that in spite of any problems that come, still my life is peaceful and stable. So, like that, we request the God. That's what the song says that हिम्मत कहो खुदा से तेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी थी. Or the problems are not so big. The God who is higher of all is still bigger. So if you take the help of the God, if you make him your companion in your life, so definitely the problems become smaller. If you remember that day, sister told us if a one line is there, so if you want to make that line smaller, what you will do? You cannot cut it, but you draw a very bigger line parallel to it, so it will become smaller. So in the same way, today we feel that there are many problems in life. It's you cannot escape it, but take the help of the God who is higher of all. With His support, all the problems become smaller. Okay. So now let us start with Om Dhwani. So in this Om Dhwani, as usual, how we have done before. So in the same way, we'll visualize the soul at the center of the forehead, the divine light, that divine energy, healing energy. This has lot of healing energy. So we have to program this. How we'll program it? I am peaceful. I am healthy. I am successful. I love myself. I have confidence on myself. I can face the situations with peace. Like this, today we'll do Om Dhwani. So today we'll do Om Dhwani with positive thoughts. Okay? Remember the positive thoughts, and in between again I will repeat it. Okay? Om. Om. So while chanting Om, visualize the divine light Start the healing energy, the pure energy. I am peaceful. I am successful. I am healthy. God's power is with me. All my family members are healthy. These five elements are becoming peaceful. The world is becoming peaceful. Everyone in this world are peaceful. So again, we'll start the Om Dhvani by remembering these thoughts. Om. 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 I am healthy. I am peaceful. I can do well. I am successful. All the five elements are peaceful. Everyone in this world are peaceful. Om. Om. Shanti. So this is what the relaxation we have to do every day in the morning to the mind. This is programming of the mind with lot of energy. We have already seen in the last few sessions that there is lot of power here. Everything is here. All the energy is here at this point, that divine light. I am very powerful. My thoughts are powerful. I can do everything. I am motivated. I am successful. The more you think positive about yourself, you feel that energy, lot of energy coming to you. You practically experience that energy coming to you. So the more you experience that energy, that peaceful energy, then whatever the situations that come outside you, you can face it. You can face with peace. You can face with happiness. That is the aim of life. See, everyone get problems in life, but some people worry for even small problems also, whereas some people have a broad minded that in spite a mountain, a big mountain, a big problem has come, but still they are very cool, very peaceful. The reason is they have that strong positive personality already developed. So how you can develop that strong positive personality? So daily analyzing yourself, thinking about yourself, checking yourself, how my state of the mind is, and listening to the positive knowledge that is told, understanding it, realizing it, visualizing it, experiencing it. So by doing all these steps slowly, my personality will become a positive personality. So like this, if I program my mind, then my life will be very happy journey of the life. That's why we say, no, wish you a very happy journey. In the railway stations, if you see the what's written, wish you a very happy journey. It's not like wish you a very happy destination. Wish you a very happy journey. Means your journey should be happy. So in the same way, life is nothing but the journey from birth to death. That is life. Life is nothing but the journey from birth to death. So in my total journey of the birth to death, it should be what it should be? Peaceful. It should be happiness. So we should not postpone happiness. We should not postpone the peace. So if I remember in my childhood, when I didn't have the spiritual knowledge, I used to feel that I will be very happy in life if I study well, if I settle well, if I get job in one good central government company or something. So I'll be very happy. So every time I used to think of that and postpone my happiness. The same it's done with others also. They say that if I get first in the college, I'll be very happy. So finally, he got first in the college first, is very happy. No, he says that first I should get a good job, then I will be very happy. So he got a good job. I asked him, now you are happy? Since you got a very good job, you have settled your life. Are you happy? He told, I'm happy little, but still I'm searching for the marriage. After I get a good wife, I will be happy. Then again, after a few years, he got married. I asked, now are you happy? Then he says that, okay, I'm happy, but still I should have good children. Then after a few years, asked him, are you happy with your children? Then he told, I'm happy with the children, but they have to settle. So like that, every time his happiness is postponing. Then when he will be happy at the death. At the death, you cannot be happy when your total life is with stress and tension. So happiness should be you enjoy your life every moment from now onwards. From this present moment should be happy. This present moment should be peaceful. This present moment I should enjoy. Be in the present, enjoy every moment. So don't think more about the problems. Don't think more about the situations. Don't have so many desires that I should get this, that, so many. No. So whatever you want in your life, definitely you'll get. हिंदी में एक स्लोगन है, समय से पहले भाग्य से ज्यादा किसी को भी कुछ नहीं मिलता है. जब समय आएगा तो आपका भाग्य अपने पास भाग कर आ जाएगा. इसलिए तू भाग्य के पीछे नहीं जाओ, चिंता नहीं करो. So जो whatever is written in my fortune, so definitely I will get it. So definitely I'll get it. Or at that time, I will get it. So don't worry this life. Enjoy it. With smaller things also enjoy. With your food also enjoy. With your family also enjoy. With your friends also enjoy. With your work also enjoy. With your small activities also start enjoying. Take it lightly. Be flexible. See the real gold, a bangle, which is a real gold bangle. The speciality of it is it will mold as you twist it. However you twist it, it will mold. Is it not? But whereas an artificial gold, it will break it. So in the same way, in your life, be the real gold. The mold yourself as per the situation. Be the real gold, real diamond. Don't be artificial. So mold yourself, be flexible, change yourself, enjoy yourself. Every moment. Life is very short. जितनी श्वास है उतना श्वासों को हमें एंजॉय करना है, पीसफुली स्पेंड करना, पीसफुली give peace to others and enjoy your life. Okay. So we'll go to the presentation. Yesterday we have seen about the different types of thoughts. The positive thoughts, the negative thoughts, the waste thoughts, and the necessary thoughts. So all these four types of thoughts we have seen yesterday, and the effect of those thoughts also slightly we have seen. So today we'll go to the fastly. This all slides will skip it. Next. Since we have less time, tomorrow is the last closing day. So by tomorrow we wanted to close the meditation also. Okay. So see, every day two bulls fight in every person's mind. One is the positive thinking and the other is the negative thinking. So do you know which one wins? Every day these two thoughts come in the mind, positive and negative. Which one wins? The one you feed the most. The one you think most, it will win. So it is up to me. So let only the positive win. How you can win it? You feed it more. Okay, next. So the one person asked him, why you are so happy today? He told, I have no idea. So don't search for a reason to be happy. Be happy for no reason. If you are happy for a reason, then you are in a trouble also. Why? Because today that will be there and tomorrow it will not be there. It will go away. So be happy all the time for no reason. If I achieve first, I will be happy. If I earn so much, I'll be happy. No, like that. Whatever it be, enjoy your life. Happiness is a state of the mind. It is not dependent on any things, situations, or any things, nor anything. It's a state of the mind. So if I decide I'll be happy for every moment, you are the most luckiest person. Okay. The next slide. So meditation is nothing but where energy, attention goes, energy flows. So meditation means always attention without any tension is meditation. It's very simple. Always attention without any tension. So attention on what? So attention on my thoughts. So attention on my feelings. Attention on my emotions. So attention on my inner peace, on my inner happiness, all this. So if you keep attention on what, there the energy goes. That is meditation. Next. So positive thinking create positive, powerful and purposeful thoughts every day. Those thoughts, the thoughts that are related to success, that's what we had today on the one. I am successful, I am healthy, I am peaceful, God is with me, I am confident, the world is peaceful, everyone are peaceful. These are all the high energy level thoughts. These thoughts boost the internal energy. I am stressed, I am tense, I am irritated, I am in an angry mood, I am not feeling good. These are the thoughts, lower energy level. Very low energy level thoughts, negative energy level thoughts. They will drain this internal energy. As a result, they will make your life complicated and you feel like you don't have power in your life. So you feel like you're totally confused, you don't have confidence in your life. You emotionally you will become down by having those negative energy thoughts. So instead of that, have the positive thoughts related to your success, health, peace, self-esteem, direct and indirect advantage of every event. Every event, take it in a positive. I told you that example also, the scientist, how he was supposed to give the paper presentation, but on the day he is supposed to give the presentation, on that day his flight met with an accident. He couldn't go, but he thanked God, thank you God for making me save your life. So if you see practically, there is an advantage in everything, whatever is happening in my life. मेरे जीवन में जो भी होता है अच्छा ही होगा, अच्छा ही होगा. Decide that everything will be good in my life. Every good only will happen to my life because God's power is with me. So at the back, you see the picture of the Supreme Soul, the Supreme Energy, the God, the highest power. So the God's power is with me. So whatever happens in my life, it will be very, very good. So that one thought gives lot of energy to face the situation. Okay. So in the next slide, we see like how this positive, how the internally the mind is. Some alignment problem. Okay, play the complete slide. So here we see, yes. So here you see the connection of the soul, the mind, and the body. So in this physical body, we see human being. So human being means there are two words in it. One is the human and the other is the being. So human means that physical body which appears, and the being means that spiritual energy, the soul, Atma. So this body is made up of the 5 elements and it will be dissolved in the 5 elements. But in this physical body, there is one energy which is called as the soul, which you can see at the leftmost. The soul, the divine light. So every day we are doing meditation. I told you, visualize that divine light. So the divine light is the soul, the energy which controls the body. Like a computer, there are 3 things. One is the programmer who programs on their computer. Accordingly, the robot will move. So the programmer is there, the computer is there, and the final product is the robot moving. So in the same way, the soul is the programmer inside. So the brain is the computer, and the final result is the body that is moving. So we see only the robot that is moving. We see only the body that is moving, but we are not aware, we doesn't know the soul, the programmer is doing everything with this body. So that is the first step of the self-realization. One day, Swami Vivekananda went to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and asked him, Guruji, I want to know who am I? Then Ramakrishna Paramahamsa told, I'm really waiting for such a disciple who really has an urge in himself to know who am I. He knows about his body, but still he says that, no, I want to know who am I, who am I, who am I. So later, when Ramakrishna Paramahamsa had the vision, he showed the vision of this soul moving from the body. So then he got that realization experience. So that's why if you see the classes of Vivekananda, in all his classes, everything is mentioned about the soul consciousness. Arise, awake, 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 and don't stop till the goal is reached. So internally awake, arise. So what? Awake, awaken your soul. There is a lot of power in your soul. This soul, the energy is very pure, very peaceful, knowledgeful, loveful, blissful, powerful. So much of power is here. Awake that energy. Awake that energy. So that's why since he got awakened that soul consciousness stage, he reached it. So he had faced whatever the problems that came in his life. So in the same way, I have to know about my self reality. So now we'll see in the next slide. So hope you got the point of the self. So the next one is the negative and positive. This I had already covered. The negative thought is nothing but it will minus. Negative means minus. It will minus the energy that you had in your mind. Whereas the positive thought, it will add. So it will gain you the energy. It will boost you the energy. So that's why think positive, not because of others, only for your self boosting. So only for your own success. It is only for your good health. It is everything good for you. So think positive about yourself, positive about others, the positive about the world, and positive about all the situations. Take it in a positive manner. The next. So a demonstration by Japanese scientists how our thoughts, words, and feelings affect the physical material. So now we'll see quickly in the slides. There is less explanation in the slides. So we can go faster in the slides. This is not our presentation. This I got it from the YouTube by the scientist who has done amazing experiment on water. His name is Dr. Emoto, who is in Japan. So he experimented the crystalline structure of water. Next. So now the slides will move faster. So he found that how the water affects the crystalline structure. This is how the crystal forming process of water. So what he has done is he had collected different samples of water and he had examined the structure of the water. So when he had examined the structure of the water, he found different structures for different waters that are collected from different rivers. Then what he has done is, so later he had exposed this water to different music. Music affects Beethoven. This is one music. Heavy metal is one music. And the Japanese folk dance is one music. Just go before slide. See this crystalline structure. When this water is exposed to this music, how the structure had aligned in a very clear crystal. So different, when the water is exposed to different music, the structure also had changed. It's really a wonderful experiment which he found. Then the next slide, it shows that he had collected the Fujiwara water. So the left, both in one bowl, two bowls he had taken the water. So one bowl he didn't do the prayer. He kept it aside. Whereas in the second bowl of water, he kept in front of it and he had done the prayer. So now see the difference of the crystalline structure of the water. So before prayer, how it is, and after prayer, how it is. Could you see the difference of the structure? Means how prayer also affected the crystalline structure of water. So there is lot of experiments that are done with water. So one bottle of water, on that water it was written as happiness. And it was kept like that, love for humanity. And after 2-3 days, it was observed how the crystalline structure has formed. So 2 bottles of water were taken. On one bottle, love is written, and on the other bottle, hate is written. So these 2 bottles of water are kept at the entrance of the college for 3 days. That's all. So they didn't tell anything to the students. Whoever students used to enter, they used to see these 2 bottles. When they have read that word love, that positive energy went in. hate, that negative energy went in. So you see the surprise after 3 days when the same water, these two bottles were analyzed, they were found the crystalline structure, how it has been. Next slide. Hate, how it has been aligned, the crystalline structure. Love, how it is aligned. Can you see the difference? So both the bottles of water are collected from the same tap, but only just labeling had changed it. Very surprising facts. This is not our knowledge. It is what is released in the YouTube, you can see. So Adolf Hitler structure, Mother Teresa crystalline structure. In our body, if you see, 75% is water only. So if the ordinary outside, you have seen the experiment, how it is getting aligned, then in my mind, if I have the positive thoughts, if I have the negative thoughts, and my body is composed 75% more than that with water, then how my structure would be inside. Got my point? So everything is here. Everything is here. So that we can see in the next slides, how are the thoughts are the seeds of the tree or the whole life. As my thoughts, so my feelings, so my attitude, so my behavior, so my relations, so my character. So the thoughts are the seeds for the whole life. So today we see that we say that our relations are very ill healthy in our house. The mother hates the children hates the parents, and everything we complain today. But the reason for everything is the thought, is the seed. How the thoughts, there you have the feelings, then attitude, my behavior, my relations, and finally my destination. So if you want to change at the root level, that is the thoughts. So if you change your thoughts, your feelings will change, your behavior will change, your relations also will get good relations, and finally your destination will be reached. So the thoughts are the seeds. That's more important. So in the next slide, we will see the state of the mind can be positive or negative. It could be anything. It depends on us, how I take it. It's only the state of the mind. The negative state of the mind is anger, hatred, worry, revenge, jealousy, suspicion, doubt, fear. Instead of that, I can take in a positive state of the mind also, like tolerance, love, peace, forgiveness, patience, appreciation, acceptance, benevolence, being kind, trust, conviction, courage, enthusiasm. So both are in front of me. So whatever I want, I can change the state of the mind. You are the living transformer. The next slide shows that you are the living transformer. So it is you who can change it. Whatever the negative stimulus that comes, but my response should be positive. That is the art of living. So you are a living transformer. Your choice could be a negative reaction or a positive response. It is up to you. So the stimulus is not in my hand, but the response is in my hand. So I wanted to take it in the negative or positive. It is up to you. Okay. So the next, a very beautiful pictures I have brought to front of you. So we'll see. So now I'll show you different incidents. So you have to see that incident and you have to visualize it. Okay, ready all of you? So channelizing the thoughts in a positive direction is meditation. Okay, we'll go to the next slide. Now I'll show you different pictures. So every picture you see and you have to visualize. So see that picture and you visualize that you are sitting at the tree near to it. So visualize, check it, how you're feeling. So you're sitting at the tree. Now see this picture and you visualize that you're sitting on the grass behind the tree. You visualize yourself, see the sun. Now you are at the sun, near to the sun. Visualize, you are near to the sun. How you're feeling it? The sun is coming to you. You are near it. Visualize, see it. Next. It's heavily raining and you are walking without an umbrella. Feel it, how you feel it? You're walking on the road. It's heavily raining. There is no umbrella for you. Feel it? Next. You are sitting under the tomb. Beautiful tomb, pleasant scenario. Feel it, how you experience. Next. The fire is coming to you. The fire is coming to you. How you're feeling it? How do you feel it? Next. It is heavily raining and you're sitting on the grass, enjoying the rain without an umbrella, enjoying the rain. The road is silent, no one, and you are enjoying. Feel it? Next. And finally, where you are standing, at the center of the small stone, you are there. You're standing at that point. Can you visualize it? You are standing there. Okay. Next. So finally, you are sailing in this beautiful river, pleasant river. Enjoy. Next. Now I have shown you different scenarios, and in every scenario, have you found the difference of your nature? Have you felt it? So thinking of a scenario itself is energizing. Then what happens if I think of that, the supreme power, the God, the supreme energy? So in the tomorrow's session, we will have about the concept of meditation by understanding more about that supreme energy, that supreme power, how to connect with him, and how to get the power. We have seen wonderful scenarios and you could feel the difference of your mind state. So tomorrow's lesson will have the introduction of that supreme. Now we'll go to the practical meditation session. Om Shanti.
ओम शांति। तो आज मेडिटेशन में जाने के पहले कांति बहन ने जो बहुत अच्छा थॉट्स का इफेक्ट, हमारे मन के इफेक्ट हमारे शरीर के अंदर जो वाटर है उसमें कैसे चेंज लेके आती है। इट वाज एन एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ अ साइंटिस्ट। तो केवल पानी नहीं परंतु साथ में हमारे सराउंडिंग में जो हवा है and all the 5 elements are getting affected. Not only 5 elements, people around us. अगर मैं कुछ बुरा सोच रही हूँ उसका इफेक्ट दूसरों के ऊपर भी अवश्य पड़ेगा, जरूर पड़ेगा। उनकी कैपेबिलिटी भी हम बिना कुछ बोल के उसकी कैपेबिलिटी हम कम कर रहे हैं. तो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन टुडेज क्लास, I want to show a video. Bharat, just show the first video. जापानी साइंटिस्ट उसने क्या किया, केवल थोड़े से बच्चों को लिया है. बच्चे ऐसे ही सच्चे होते हैं, जो बोले वो जल्दी एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं, क्वेश्चन नहीं करते हैं. तो उनको बोला गया कि तुम जो थॉट क्रिएट करोगे, तुम्हारा थॉट का इफेक्ट पानी में अवश्य नजर आएगा. कैसे नजर आएगा? तो उनको बताया गया, जैसे आई लव यू वाटर, देन आई हेट यू वाटर. तो ऐसे जो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव थॉट क्रिएट करने के बाद लैबोरेटरी में उसे टेस्ट किया गया, तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या है हम प्रैक्टिकल में देखेंगे.
Next, we conducted another experiment, one that involved projecting our thoughts onto water and testing the effects of human thought forms and words. Through our website, we rounded up a group of volunteers to help us with this experiment. 4 groups of parents and their children participated. In this experiment, we used 2 glasses of tap water taken from Tokyo. We should note here that crystal formation has always eluded the waters of Tokyo. To 1 glass, all of the participants expressed gratitude, first out loud, then with their eyes closed. Next, they observed the water for any changes.
お水さんを大切にします。お水さんを大切にします。じゃあ今言った言葉、お水に対するこれをみんなで目をつぶって祈ってください。はい、じゃあ目をつぶってください。1分間です。
The researcher is now transferring this water onto petri dishes. The children look on curiously. Three hours later, the frozen water is ready for observation. We will start with the water that was left alone. Like so many times before, once again, we observed a total lack of beautiful crystal formation in the tap water from Tokyo. Next, we will observe the water that was exposed to good thoughts. The children gaze into the monitor. What will happen to the tap water when their thoughts become one? Then, from within the darkness of the microscope, a small crystal appeared and slowly started to grow. A magnification increase revealed the sudden emergence of a single crystal, clear and simple, as if to epitomize the thoughts of the people who had gathered. And then in response to the words and thoughts of the participants, the tap water from Tokyo produced a beautifully balanced crystal.
こういうふうに出ると思った結晶が
ちょっと思わなかったよ。
結晶を見てみてどうだった？
すごかった。自分たちがこう言ったものが本当にそういうふうになるのかっていうのはちょっと半信半疑なところもあったんですけど、実際にそれを見て本当にそうだったっていうことを
みんなとしてなんか一心同体っていうかな、そんな感じになってなんか念じられた。だからよかった。
Through crystallization, water is telling us that it can act as our mirror, that it can reflect human thought. Water has the ability to show us what we cannot see. The same water also flows through our bodies and nurtures all life on earth.
तो प्रैक्टिकली हमने देखा कि ब्रह्मा कुमारीज का कहना नहीं, परंतु अच्छे साइंटिस्ट अपने लैबोरेटरी में दिखा रहे हैं कि थॉट्स का इफेक्ट क्या हो सकता है। तो जैसे वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो कहता है कि 80% डिसीजेस आर साइकोसोमैटिक, जो हम सोचते हैं तो थॉट्स कहाँ से लिबरेट हो रहे, यहाँ से, और इसका जो थॉट लिबरेट हो गई सारे बॉडी में वो थॉट चले जाएगा और बॉडी ऑर्गन्स को इफेक्ट करेगा, क्योंकि स्पेशली द थॉट्स आर इफेक्टिंग द वाटर स्पेशली। हाँ, बाकी 4 तत्वों को भी असर तो करेगा, परंतु स्पेशली वाटर में जल्दी इफेक्ट हो जाता है। तो बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ 80% ऑफ वाटर, तो नेचुरली थॉट्स आर डायरेक्टली अफेक्टिंग द हेल्थ। तो इसीलिए हमारे हेल्थ के लिए भी हमारे थॉट्स स्टेबल हेल्दी रहना जरूरी है। सो वी आर टेकिंग गुड फूड, so many precautions, but the thought precaution is also must। परंतु आज कांति सिस्टर भी क्लास के शुरुआत में समझाते हैं कि thoughts are created where the breathing system, respiratory system is caused by the lungs, blood circular system, okay, heart pumping system, isn't it? And cleaning system, kidneys, and so other parts are working in a different manner. But which is the part responsible to create the thoughts? शरीर में ऐसा कौन सा अंग है जहां से हमें संकल्प उत्पन्न हो रहे हैं? तो बच्चों को हमने कभी सिखाया नहीं, ना ही हमने कभी सीखा संकल्प कहाँ से आते हैं, किसी ने नहीं सिखाया। तो है हमारा मन का शब्द तो हम बार बार लेते हैं, मेरा मूड अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा मन अच्छा नहीं है, आज मेरा मन बहुत खुशी में है। पर मन है क्या चीज? कैन यू सी द माइंड? हाँ, आईने के सामने जाके खड़े हो जाएंगे तो शरीर को हम देख सकते हैं, परंतु क्या मैं अपने मन को देख सकती हूँ? फेस इज अ इंडेक्स ऑफ माइंड, ओके, द फेस इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग द माइंड, but directly can I see my mind? No. लाइक आज एटॉमिक नॉलेज इतनी ऊंचे लेवल तक चली गई, पर एटम को हम क्या स्थूल नेत्रों से देख सकते हैं एक कड़ाई से एटम को? नहीं। बट एटम इज एन एनर्जी। एटम को हम कहते हैं एनर्जी। एनर्जी नहीं है द क्रिएटेड, नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय कहते हैं। और एनर्जी को हम इन आंखों से देख ही नहीं सकते हैं। उसका ना जन्म होगा ना मृत्यु। इट इज अ कांस्टेंट एनर्जी, बट you can change the energy into liquid, solid, liquid, vapor in any other state. 3 states को चेंज करने का वो हाँ कर सकते हैं, परंतु कंप्लीट एनर्जी का नाश नहीं किया जाता है। तो वो है एनर्जी का पावर। इन द सेम वे जो संकल्प उत्पन्न हो रहे हैं, तो जो उसको हम मन कहते हैं, मन का नाश नहीं किया जा सकता है। हाँ, मन जो नेगेटिव सोच रही है उसे पॉजिटिव में ले जा सकते हैं, या कुछ क्रिएटिव थॉट्स में लेके जा सकते हैं, पर कंप्लीट थॉट को नील करें वो इम्पॉसिबल है। आज तक दुनिया में ऐसे कोई पैदा नहीं हुआ जो हमारे थॉट्स को कंप्लीट नील करे। तो ये थॉट्स कहाँ से जनरेट हो रहे हैं? आज मेडिटेशन के रिलेटेड में उस टॉपिक में आ जाएंगे। तो वो है हमारी आत्मा। आत्मा क्या चीज है? आत्मा एक पावरफुल, वंडरफुल एंड इनविजिबल एनर्जी है। सो वेरी वंडरफुल एंड वेरी पावरफुल, एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट्स एन इनविजिबल एनर्जी। और वो एनर्जी जैसे एक छोटा सा टाइनी पॉइंट ऑफ एटम है, इसी प्रकार आत्मा भी एक छोटा सा वेरी टाइनी पॉइंट ऑफ लाइट है, जिसे हम स्थूल नेत्रों से देख ही नहीं सकते। इतना छोटा कि इवन माइक्रोस्कोप में भी देखने की कोशिश करें तो भी उसको देख नहीं सकते। ना ही कोई उसे पकड़ सकते हैं, ना ही कोई उसे मार सकते हैं। वंडर ये है वो पॉइंट ऑफ लाइट इतनी बड़ी शरीर को चलाता है। अगर वो पॉइंट बॉडी में नहीं है, so we say dead. XYZ, he is dead. Why he is dead? हाँ, कोई भी कारण हो सकता है, परंतु उस बॉडी में अभी वो टाइनी पॉइंट ऑफ एनर्जी नहीं है। तो वो टाइनी पॉइंट ऑफ एनर्जी बॉडी में कहाँ बैठता है? बॉडी में सेंटर ऑफ द फोरहेड, जहाँ हाइपोथैलेमस एंड पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड है, उन दोनों के सेंटर में आकर आत्मा बैठ जाती है, सोल सिचुएट हो जाती है, और वहां से सब काम करती है। कैसे? अपनी जो सटल रेसेस है, रेडिएशंस आत्मा के, वो सारे शरीर में फैल गए हैं, और वो आत्मा आंखों से देखने का काम करती है, और कानों से सुनने का काम, मुख से बोलने का काम, हाथों से करने का काम, पाँव से चलने का काम, सब कौन कर रहा है? आत्मा itself. So soul is like a cell, soul is like a battery, soul is like a driver. बॉडी को रन कर रहा है। ड्राइवर है तो कार को चलाता है ना, ड्राइवर है तो कार चलेगा, ड्राइवर नहीं तो कार नहीं चलेगा, है ना? चलेगा, गैरेज में है, आपके सेलार में पड़ा है कार, पर ड्राइवर नहीं है तो कार नहीं चलता। इसी प्रकार शरीर के अंदर ड्राइवर है कौन? आत्मा। वो मैं हूँ, ये बॉडी में नहीं हूँ, मेरा है बॉडी। इसलिए इससे दिस इज माई बॉडी, माई हैंड, माई हेड, माई हेड इज एकिंग, आई एम हेड एकिंग, नो, आई एम स्टमक एकिंग, नो, माई स्टमक इज एकिंग। तो हम अपनी भाषा में अपने शरीर को अलग करके बात करते हैं। इसका मतलब मैं बॉडी नहीं हूं, बॉडी मेरा है, आई एम यूजिंग दिस बॉडी। जैसे कहाँ कार एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है तो दोनों कार के ड्राइवर बाहर आके लड़ेंगे, बाकी दोनों कार नहीं लड़ेंगे ना। तो इसी प्रकार इस शरीर रूपी कार के अंदर आत्मा रूपी ड्राइवर विराजमान है। तो मैं कौन? I am not this physical body. I am that tiny point of energy. अब ये हुई मेडिटेशन की असली बात. मेडिटेशन केवल पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग करना मेडिटेशन नहीं है, वो तो सरफेस लेवल की बात है. ठीक है. कल हम सुन रहे थे भीतर की ओर जाना है, सेल्फ चेकिंग करना है, पर वहां भी सीक्रेट रिवील नहीं हुआ था कि अंदर क्या है, कैसे जाऊं मैं और अंदर क्या है. आज आपको समझ में आ गया कि अंदर की तरफ एक छोटी सी चमकता हुआ सितारा, डायमंड है. वो डायमंड मैं हूं. और वंडर ये है कि बिना ये बॉडी बी में था, अभी बॉडी में हूं. अगर बॉडी से चली जाऊंगा तो भी मैं होऊंगा. मेरा मौत कभी हो नहीं सकता. शरीर की मृत्यु होती है, आत्मा की मृत्यु नहीं हो सकती है. कारण आत्मा अजर, अमर, अविनाशी है. अजर मतलब कांस्टेंट साइज में है वो, ना छोटा होगा ना बड़ा होगा. आप कितने भी जन्म लो, कितने भी सालों का है, पर अगर फिजिकल अपीयरेंस देख के हम एज को अज्यूम कर सकते हैं. मे बी दिस पर्सन हाँ इतने एज में हो सकते हैं, पर आत्मा को कोई एज ही नहीं है. एज के अनुसार वो ना बढ़ेगी ना घटेगी. इसलिए आत्मा को कहते अजर, अमर. आत्मा की मृत्यु नहीं होती है. शरीर की मृत्यु हो सकती है, आत्मा की मृत्यु नहीं होगा. आत्मा अविनाशी. इस दुनिया में 5 तत्व जो है, 5 तत्वों से आत्मा को कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता. ना आत्मा को काट सकते हैं, ना आत्मा को जला सकते हैं, ना पानी डुबो सकता है. तो इट्स वेरी वंडरफुल एनर्जी. आज तक 7 वंडर्स दुनिया में तो देखे हैं, परंतु सबसे वंडर तो अंदर छिपा हुआ है. अंदर छिपा हुआ है. अब उस अंदर छिपी हुई आत्मा को हम अनुभव करेंगे. सारी एनर्जी कहाँ छिपी हुई है? उसके अंदर, उस छोटी सी टाइनी पॉइंट ऑफ एनर्जी में सारी एनर्जी छिपी हुई है. इसलिए ज्यादा सोचते तो हेडेक आ जाता है. अगर अच्छा सोचते मेंटल पीस, चेहरे पर शांति, टेंशन, स्ट्रेस सारा एक्सप्रेस करने वाला चेहरा है. और साथ में हम किसी से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, कैसे? उसकी चेहरा देख के बात करते हैं, हाथ पांव देख के बात नहीं करेंगे ना. कारण सोल सोल इंटरेक्शन हो रहे हैं, एक सोल दूसरे सोल से बात कर रही है. सो फेस इज अ मेन पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. इस बॉडी में इट्स लाइक इंजन ऑफ द कार है ना. इसलिए हेलमेट पहनते हैं ना, 2 व्हीलर वाले. हेलमेट इसलिए पहनते क्योंकि हेड इज द मेन पार्ट, जहां 4 सेंस ऑर्गन्स फेस में ही है ना. 1 2 3 4 चारों सेंस ऑर्गन्स चेहरे पर है. तो इस इंजन के अंदर आत्मा रूपी ड्राइवर बैठ के इस शरीर को चलाता है. तो पता है आपका असली रूप, यू आर नॉट ए मेल, यू आर नॉट ए फीमेल, यू आर नॉट अ so doctor and so a lecturer, student. No, my real identity is a tiny point of energy. वो हूँ मैं. कहते हैं एक बार हिरन जंगल में घूम रहा था. उसको बहुत अच्छा स्मेल आ रहा था, वो है कस्तूरी सुगंध. फिर वो सारा जंगल ढूंढा कि ये सुगंध कहाँ से आ रहा है, ये सुगंध कहाँ से आ रहा है. चारों ओर जंगल में घूमी, पर वो सुगंध का जगह उसे नहीं मिला. बहुत थक गया. फिर हिरन सो गई. ऐसे पूरा लपेट के सो गई हिरन. तो उसका जो नाक है नाभि के पास चले गया, और उसको स्मेल कहाँ से आ रहा है? उसी के नाभि से. अरे वाह. फिर हिरन तो बहुत खुश हो गया. अरे जो स्मेल मेरे नाभि से आ रहा है तो मैंने कहाँ ढूंढा? सारे जंगल में ढूंढा. अरे टाइम वेस्ट किया मैंने. तो शांति कहाँ है? बाहर ढूंढने से नहीं मिलेगी शांति, अंदर है. खुशी कहाँ है? अंदर है. प्योरिटी कहाँ है? अंदर है. So this tiny point of energy has 7 powers. That is knowledge, purity, peace, love, happiness, bliss and power. These are the innate qualities of soul. जिसके आधार से सारी दुनिया चल रही है, जिसकी कमी के कारण सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं, भले फाइनेंशियल, भले फिजिकल, सोशल, family problems, any problem. The reason is lack of these 7 qualities. आप न्यूज़पेपर या न्यूज़ सुनिए, पूरा न्यूज़पेपर दोहराइए, तो जो भी क्राइम, जो भी हो रहे हैं दुनिया में, उसका मेन कारण ये 7 क्वालिटीज की कमी। अगर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन चाहते हो तो 7 गुणों को हमें अभी बढ़ाना है। कैसे बढ़ाएंगे? तो अपनी ओरिजिनल जो पोजीशन है उसमें बैठ जाना है कि मैं इस शरीर को चलाने वाली एनर्जी हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ। बस ना, सारे ब्रह्मांड का बहुत बड़ा ब्रह्मास्त्र है। दिस इज अल्टीमेट वेपन। सारी दुनिया बहुत कोशिश किया, साइंस एंड पॉलिटिक्स and religion. These 3 are supporting the world to make it a better world. है ना? इतने धर्म और साइंसेस में आज की दुनिया में साइंस मेजर रोल प्ले कर रही है, परंतु उस साइंस को भी एंजॉय करने वाला जो स्पिरिट है, अगर वहां तक हम नहीं पहुंचे तो हमारे सामने जो साइंस है उसको हम एंजॉय नहीं कर पाएंगे। इसीलिए मुझे अभी साइंस के साथ साथ स्पिरिचुअलिटी को भी डेवलप करना है। स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज नथिंग बट सेल्फ स्टडी कि मैं कौन। अगर सारे दिन में हम थोड़ा समय अपने बैटरी की ओर जाएंगे और विजुअलाइज करेंगे मैं आत्मा हूँ, और उस टाइनी पॉइंट ऑफ लाइट को विजुअलाइज करना पड़ेगा और अपनी इनेट पावर्स को रीड करना पड़ेगा, थॉट में थॉट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा। इस मेडिटेशन में हम मुख को बहुत कम यूज करते हैं, थॉट्स को बहुत यूज करते हैं। 5% भी मुख को यूज नहीं करते हैं। मोर देन 98% दिस मेडिटेशन इज रिलेटेड विद द माइंड। तो अंदर बहुत काम चलता है। जैसे एक लेबर है, कितना भी हार्ड वर्क करता है उससे सारे दिन में कितना पेमेंट मिल सकता है, 600, 700, 800, पर मेंटल वर्क करने वालों को एक दिन में कितना कमा सकते हैं। मेंटल वर्क इज मच हार्डर देन फिजिकल वर्क। इसलिए हम भी मेंटल वर्क कर रहे हैं। सामने देखने वालों को कुछ नहीं मालूम होता है क्या कर रहा है, पर अंदर बहुत ऊंची विचारों में हम स्थिर करते हैं अपने मन को। वो है मैं आत्मा। तो आत्मा क्या चीज है? एक ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग से हम एक 3 मिनट्स गीत को सुनेंगे, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे। इसमें आप अपनी आत्मा को आप देखिए।
तन के भर भाल पर, तन के भर भाल पर विराज रहा मैं, तन के भर भाल पर विराज रहा मैं। बोल पुतलियों के पट हो, बोल पुतलियों के पट निहार रहा मैं, निहार रहा मैं। तन के भग भाल पर विराज रहा मैं। बोल पुतलियों के पट हो, बोल पुतलियों के पट निहार रहा मैं, निहार रहा मैं। तन के भग भाल पर मैं प्रकाश पुंज हूँ, अनंत शक्तिवान हूँ, दिव्य ज्योति बिंदु हूँ, मैं शिव पिता समान हूँ। मैं प्रकाश पुंज हूँ, अनंत शक्तिवान हूँ, दिव्य ज्योति बिंदु हूँ, मैं शिव पिता समान हूँ। सृष्टि का श्रृंगार हूँ, इस जगत का सार हूँ, सृष्टि का श्रृंगार हूँ, इस जगत का सार हूँ। योनियों में श्रेष्ठ मानव जन्म का आधार हूँ। प्राण धरे तन में संचार रहा मैं, तन के भव्य भाल पर विराज रहा मैं। गोल पुतलियों के पट हो, गोल पुतलियों के पट निहार रहा मैं, निहार रहा मैं। तन के भव्य भाल पर विराज रहा मैं। धरती का सितारा हूँ, देह का उजाला हूँ, सर्व का सहारा हूँ, मैं शिव पिता का प्यारा हूँ। धरती का सितारा हूँ, देह का उजाला हूँ, सर्व का सहारा, मैं शिव पिता का प्यारा हूँ। प्यारा हूँ, निराला हूँ, प्रसन्न चित्त वाला हूँ, प्यारा हूँ, निराला हूँ, प्रसन्न चित्त वाला हूँ। प्यारा हूँ तो प्यारा भी हूँ, शीतल हूँ, ज्वाला हूँ। दिव्य गुण से निज को नित निखार रहा मैं, तन के भव्य भाल पर विराज रहा मैं। गोल पुतलियों के पट हो, गोल पुतलियों के पट निहार रहा मैं, निहार रहा मैं। तन के भव्य भाल पर विराज रहा मैं।
तो हम मेडिटेशन में पहुंच गए स्वयं तक कि मैं कौन, केवल आत्मा। अभी नर्सरी लेवल में चले गए, बाय मिस्टेक हम पर एप्पल सीख लिए, अभी करेक्ट करेंगे। वे बच्चों को बोलो एप्पल का स्मेलिंग क्या है, तुरंत सुनाएंगे, कारण हजारों बार सीखा है बेबी एप्पल। अगर वही बचपन में हम ये सीखते थे कि मैं पर आत्मा और आत्मा का रूप दिया जाता था, तो शायद बच्चे आज बहुत अच्छे होते थे, हम भी अच्छे होते थे। नहीं सीखा, दिस इज अ मिसिंग लिंक इन एजुकेशन। तो मैं कौन, आत्मा। तो आज समय हो गया है, तो इसी के ऊपर इसको अवेकन करना है। अभी ये आत्मा अंदर सो रही है ना, ट्यूबलाइट है, पर मैं कभी स्विच ऑन नहीं किया, तो उसकी रोशनी कैसे फैलेगी? हाउ यू कैन टेक द बेनिफिट ऑफ ट्यूबलाइट? द लाइट इज नॉट रिफ्लेक्टिंग बिकॉज स्विच ऑफ है। आत्मा है अंदर और यहाँ एनर्जी भी बहुत सारा, चलो 15% बचा है, 100% था once upon a time, because I used my energy every time, all these births। तो इसीलिए मेरा जो बैटरी लेवल है वो 15% हो गया है, because my battery is 15%, remaining 85% is darkness. Light is only 15%, darkness is 85%. What is that darkness? Lust, angry, greediness, attachment, ego. So the soul is occupied with the 85% darkness. So how to remove that darkness? By how to remove the darkness? Only the way is
increase the light. So I need to increase my percentage of soul values. Those are knowledge, purity, peace, and happiness. So how to increase? Now हम आगे सेंटर पॉइंट में यूं ही हम बोलेंगे मैं शांति स्वरूप, शांति हूँ, मैं शक्ति हूँ, शायद इतना जल्दी डेवलप नहीं होगा अनलेस आत्मा का जागृति ना करे. आत्मा का जागृति कर लिया बस. अभी आत्मा की जो एनर्जी है उसको हम बढ़ाना बहुत इजी है. तो और दूसरी बात आपने ये भी नोटिस किया होगा, डिफरेंट कलर, मल्टीपल कलर्स दिखाते हैं. तो कल के लेसन में सोल वैल्यूज कौन से कलर से रिलेट होते हैं और सोल की अवेकनिंग कैसे किया जाता है, सोल की पावर्स को हम कैसे बढ़ाए, वो हम देखेंगे मेडिटेशन कमेंट्री के थ्रू. अभी समय हो गया है तो स्टॉप. थैंक यू. शांति. Shall we leave the session?
Thank you, Sister Geeta. We'll meet tomorrow. Excellent videos, ma'am.